provides balanced grip, comfort, and durability for high-speed and long-distance touring performance driving. Today's video is about top 5 best sport touring tire that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Atturo Sport Touring Tire. The Atturo A600 Sport Touring Tire delivers a well-balanced combination of comfort, durability, and all-season performance. One of its standout features is its quiet ride. The optimized tread pattern significantly reduces road noise, making daily commutes and long drives more enjoyable. Whether listening to music or having a conversation, the cabin remains impressively calm throughout the tire's lifespan. On the highway, the tire provides excellent straight-line stability. Continuous outside ribs maintain strong road contact, ensuring predictable handling during lane changes and high-speed driving. It feels planted and secure mile after mile. Designed for year-round use, the AZ600 performs confidently on dry, wet, and light snowy roads. Its dense sipe and groove design helps channel water effectively, while the all-season compound maintains flexibility in changing temperatures for consistent grip. With a 60,000-mile tread wear warranty, durable construction, and even wear performance, it offers long-term value. The added rim guard also helps protect wheels from curb damage, making it a practical and reliable touring tire choice. Now our second product is Travelstar Sport Touring Tire. This 155/80 or 13 radial passenger tire is a solid choice for drivers looking for a blend of style, safety, and all-season reliability. The 14mm white wall design adds a classic, clean look that enhances the appearance of any vehicle while still maintaining practical performance. Built with 4 circumferential grooves, the tire efficiently channels water away from the contact surface, improving grip and stability on wet roads. The M+S rating ensures dependable traction in a variety of weather conditions, making it suitable for year-round driving. With a load index of 79,963 pounds per tire, and a maximum pressure of 44 psi, it offers stable and consistent performance for everyday use. Its lightweight construction also supports better handling and fuel efficiency. Backed by a 50,000-mile tread wear warranty and a 3-year road hazard warranty, it provides added peace of mind. Overall, it delivers a dependable mix of durability, safety, and vintage-inspired style. Our third product is Mastertrack Sport Touring Tire. This tire is designed for drivers who want durability, comfort, and dependable all-season performance. Its advanced tread compound and optimized footprint promote even wear, helping extend tread life and maintain consistent performance over time. This makes it a strong option for long-term everyday driving. One of its standout qualities is its quiet and economical ride. The optimized pitch sequence and dense internal structure significantly reduce road noise, creating a smoother and more comfortable driving experience. At the same time, the upgraded tread design improves wear resistance and contributes to better fuel efficiency. Built for all-season use, the tire delivers stable traction and balanced handling in a variety of weather conditions. The asymmetrical tread pattern enhances grip and improves water drainage, increasing control on both dry and wet roads. Backed by a 3-year road hazard warranty covering issues like bulges, leaks, or blowouts, within specified tread limits, it offers added peace of mind and reliable protection for everyday driving. Now number 4, Firestone Sport Touring Tire. This tire is designed to deliver dependable performance and long-lasting value for everyday driving. Built with all-season capability, it provides consistent traction and stability across a wide range of weather conditions, making it suitable for year-round use. Whether driving on dry, wet, or lightly challenging road surfaces, it maintains reliable control and balanced handling. One of its strongest features is durability, backed by a 65,000-mile limited tread wear warranty, giving drivers confidence in its long service life and even tread wear over time. This makes it a practical choice for those who want fewer replacements and better long-term value. Designed for vehicle-specific fitment, it ensures proper compatibility and optimal performance when installed on the recommended vehicles. With a load capacity of 1,653 pounds, it is capable of handling everyday driving demands with stability and strength. Overall, it is a dependable, all-season tire built for safety, durability, and consistent performance mile after mile. And our last choice is Michelin Sport Touring Tire. The Michelin Defender 2 tire is built for drivers who want maximum longevity, safety, and dependable all-season performance. As one of Michelin's longest-lasting tires, it features a redesigned tread compound that significantly increases tread life, offering up to 25,000 more miles compared to leading competitors. This makes it an excellent choice for drivers focused on long-term value and durability. Safety is a key highlight, with locking 3D sights that create hundreds of biting edges for improved grip. This design helps deliver shorter stopping distances on both wet and dry roads, giving added confidence in changing weather conditions. The Defender 2 is engineered for a wide range of popular vehicles, including sedans and SUVs like the Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, CR-V, and Chevrolet Equinox, ensuring broad compatibility. Backed by an impressive 80,000-mile treadwear warranty and a 6-year limited warranty, it offers strong peace of mind. Overall, it is a premium, reliable tire built for long-lasting performance, safety, and everyday driving confidence. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.